Hey guys, Tim McCamus out in the shop tonight and rolling through some new products. So what I've got in front of me here is a new model of Carbon Dash. This particular unit is going to fit the FuelTech Dash module. So FuelTech, if you've been keeping up with them, they are creating tons of stuff for anything from every drag race car, every car out there. They've got a control system for. Stuff's really good, really reliable. This particular dash unit is going to fit the FT600 model of monitoring, the CPU system that they have that goes in here. That's going to be the digital dash portion. This is filled in now, but it fits, the outer profile will fit exactly to that dash. So we've got everything to go along with that. So if you have a FT600 for your base unit for monitoring, that's going to fit in here with this cutout. We have the kit to mount the unit itself to the chassis. So we have the tab that's going to fit to the back of that unit, and then all of the structure to attach it back to the dash bar in the chassis itself. And then it's going to just be flush fit to this when you're done. It's a really nice part. This is, we've been doing these dashes for a long time. We've got a ton of different models, and this is just the next variation. We released this in March. Of course, right after that, PRI, FuelTech announced they were coming out with the FT700. So they're just about done with the final version of that. As soon as they get it done, we'll have the model from them. We'll do another dash for that. So all of these, everything that's out there is going to be covered in some way to where you can use a Carbon Dash in the car. So these are really nice. They're super lightweight. They're kind of a universal fit. They're made to trim down to fit in between the two door roof pipes in your chassis. They're going to come with end caps that you're going to have to bond on, so you're going to trim it to length. You're going to use some Zeus tabs, and you're going to slip this into a track up here in the front, a couple of Zeuses to hold it in, and you are good to go. So this dash is available in carbon and in fiberglass. So if you want the little heavier version, if you're not too concerned about weight, you still want the look of the dash, you can get it in fiberglass. It'll be a black gel coat finish. Everything fits the same, comes out of the same mold. So check these out. If you run the FuelTech stuff and you're retrofitting the car or you're building a new car, we've got a dash that will fit any variation that you have. So look at it online, give us a call if we can help you out. If you've got any questions, you can email us, you can call us, you can send the carrier pigeon, whatever you want to do. We're available. Check them out, give us a call, and we'll hook you up. Have a good night.